Okay, chapter 2, paragraph 4 is about hydrogen bonds. And this is only VWO. When you're half a student, obviously you're welcome to watch, but you don't have to. Okay, a hydrogen bond, so just start with bonding. A bond between atoms of nonmetals is called a covalent bond. So like when I have C1H4, then this represents a covalent bond. It obviously is just a pinstripe, but it represents a covalent bond. Some bonds are what we call polar covalent bonds. You obviously know the polars of the Earth, like North Pole and South Pole. And you also know North and South Pole of a magnet, which is either plus or minus, but they are somehow a bit charged. That is also what is happening with a polar covalent bond. They are a bit charged. Slightly charged. It is the bond between an O and an H and an N and an H. There are more polar bonds, but you don't have to know them for now. So O is slightly negative and we call it delta negative. This is the Greek sign for delta. And I know you probably think delta is this sign. This is the capital delta and this is the small version of it. So this is just like we have a capital H and a small h, there's also capital delta, small delta. Well, if this is delta minus, then this is obviously delta plus. Same counts for this. Delta minus, delta plus. And we also know that plus and minus attract. So, like when I have two water molecules, water is H2O, so 1 O, 2 H's. This is my covalent bond, but it's slightly polar, so this one is minus, this one is plus, this one is also a bit plus. When I add another water molecule, this is minus, this is plus, this is also plus, then those two attract. Minus and plus. Plus and minus attract. So then we draw this hydrogen bond with a dotted line. It is not exactly there, that is why you draw a dotted line. It is an attraction. So that is my hydrogen bond. Bond with an N. Okay, so another example, like this one. I'm going to draw ethanol, which is also alcohol. Ethanol or alcohol. Here I have this OH bonding. This is not polar. This is HC. It's only the HO bond. Delta minus, delta plus. So I'm just going to add a water molecule again. I'm just going to draw it in a different angle. Minus, plus, plus. And those two attract again. So those are my hydrogen bonds. This is water, obviously. So OH and NH groups form, can you still read it? Yes. Hydrogen bonds. And basically when you have a hydrogen bond, it makes it soluble in water. Because of those bondings, that is why ethanol or alcohol dissolves in water, because it can form hydrogen bonds.